I think mommy has to switch.
Alrighty, neighbors. Is everybody excited to be on trolley today?
Yeah.
Okay, that was pretty good, but I think we could be a little bit louder. Is everybody excited to be on trolley today?
Yeah.
That was amazing. Okay, guys, my name's Hannah and Charlie and I'm going to be helping you through the neighborhood and make believe today. But before we get going, can anybody tell me who lives there?
Daniel Tiger.
That's right, Daniel Tiger. All right, neighbors, are you guys ready to make believe with me?
All right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I didn't hear anyone. Are you guys ready to make believe with me?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, before we go, Charlie wants to say hi. So we're going to go backwards.
All right.
And then we're going to go forwards like Charlie's waving. Can we all say hi, Charlie?
Hi, Charlie.
All right, neighbors, now we're all going to close our eyes nice and tight. And we're going to make believe that Daniel's getting on trolley with us. There he is. Open your eyes.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? Hi, neighbors. I'm so glad you're here. You're just in time for Neighbor Day. It's a special day, but we all do something nice for our neighbors.
We're so happy to be here, Daniel, and we're about to go through the tunnel that takes us to the neighborhood to make believe.
I'm so excited. Thanks for taking us, Charlie.
Welcome to the neighborhood of Make Believe, everybody. Our first stop is Prince Wednesday's Castle.
Say hi, Prince Wednesday.
Hi, Prince Wednesday.
Hi, Daniel. Hi, neighbors. Happy Neighbor Day. I'm really excited to see you.
Why are you so excited, Prince Wednesday?
Because we're about to have a special neighbor hugging song at the
A
castle.
neighbor hugging song? That sounds terrific for Neighbor Day.
I know. Will you help me tell everyone in the neighborhood about the hugging song?
We sure will, Prince Wednesday.
Thanks. Just tell everyone you see to come along to the neighbor hugging song. Let's say it together.
Come along to the neighbor hugging song.
That was tiger-tastic.
All right, neighbors, do you guys think we can say it together one more time to make sure we remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come along
to the neighbor hugging song.
Thanks for helping me, neighbors. Goodbye. See you soon.
Bye, Prince
Bye,
Wednesday.
Prince Wednesday. I'm so glad we can help Prince Wednesday. Bye-bye. Hey, since it's Neighbor Day, maybe we can help all the neighbors we see. Do you think we can?
I think we can. Do you guys think we can?
Yeah.
Good. Sing with me.
Song, won't you ride along with me? Ride along, won't you ride along with me? All right, neighbors, let's all sing with Daniel. We're off to find our neighbors to invite them to the hugging song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along, won't you ride along with me? All right, neighbors, our next stop is the neighborhood tree house.
Do you see my friends? It's Katarina, Kitty Cat, and the Owl. I'd say hello.
Hi, Katarina, Kitty Cat.
Hi, Katarina.
Hi, the owl.
Hello, Daniel. Hello, neighbors. Happy Neighbor Day. Hoo-hoo. Hi, neighbors. Isn't it a beautiful day, meow meow?
It is a beautiful day, Katarina, and we have a very important message from Prince Wednesday. Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Come along
to the neighbor hugging song.
A neighbor hugging song?
That's right, a very special neighbor hugging song party just for Neighbor Day.
That does sound special, meow meow. Oh, yes, it does. I think I'll bring my favorite book to share at the hugging song. Hoo-hoo!
That sounds like a great idea, but where is your book?
I don't know, Hoo-hoo. Can you help me find it? Do you see O's book? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Thank you, neighbors. You helped me find my book.
You're very welcome, Mo. And what about you, Katarina? Do you have anything special to bring to the Neighbor Huggin' Song?
I'm going to do a dance at the Neighbor Huggin' Song in my beautiful tutu meow meow.
That does sound special, but where is your tutu, Katarina?
I don't know, meow meow. Can you help me find it? My tutu is very important for my dance. Can you find Katarina's tutu?
Yeah.
Oh, there's my tutu. Thank you for finding it, meow meow. You are such good neighbors on Neighbor Day.
You're very welcome, Katarina. All right, neighbors, I think it's time for us to get going so we can invite all the neighbors in the neighborhood. Can we all say goodbye?
Bye, neighbors. Thank you. See you later, meow meow. Goodbye.
We're out to find our neighbors tonight to the Huggin' Song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along, won't you ride along with me? All right, neighbors, our next stop is the Neighborhood Museum Ground. And there's Miss Elena.
Let's all say hello. Hi, Miss Elena. Hiya, tits. Happy Neighbor Day.
Happy Neighbor Day, Miss Elena. We have a very important message from Prince Wednesday. Is everybody ready?
Yeah.
Come along to the Neighbor Huggin' Song.
Oh boy, I love hugging songs, especially on Neighbor Day.
Will we see you there, Miss Elena?
You sure will, but I'll be Astronaut Elena in my space helmet.
That sounds terrific, but where is your space helmet?
Oh no, Where did I put my helmet? Will you help me, neighbors? Do you see Miss Elena's space helmet? Thanks for finding it, neighbors. Just in time for the Neighbor Huggin' Song.
You're very welcome, Miss Elena. Well, we better get going, so we'll see you later.
I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.
Bye, Miss Elena. We're out to find our neighbors tonight to the Huggin' Song. Won't you ride along? Ride along, won't you ride along with me?
No, it's his dad.
You guys are doing such a tiger-tastic job of inviting all of our neighbors. You guys having fun so far? Yeah? Welcome to the Neighborhood Clock Factory, everybody.
Clock factory? That's where my dad works. And there he is. Hi, Dad.
Hello there, my fuzzy guy. Happy Neighbor Day, everyone. Welcome to the Clock Factory. Are you on your way to the castle?
We sure are, Dad Tiger. Will you be at the Neighbor Huggin' Song later as well?
I sure will. But first, it's almost chime time. Would you like to hear it?
I think we would, but what is chime time, Dad Tiger?
Daniel, would you like to tell them?
Sure, Dad. Chime time is when all of the clocks in the clock factory make their special music.
And now, it's about to begin.
Wasn't that terrific? Thanks, Dad.
Thank you, Dad Tiger. All right, neighbors, I think it's about time for Daniel to get off the trolley now so he can go to the Huggin' Song with his family.
That's right. I'll get off trolley now so I can come along to the Huggin' Song with my whole family.
All right, neighbors, can we all make believe together? We're going to close our eyes nice and tight and make believe that Daniel's getting off the trolley.
Can't move. Yeah, it has to stay still. If you don't have
Bye, everybody. See you at the Neighbor Huggin' Song.
Bye, Daniel. Bye, Dad Tiger.
car wants to leave, you can take it off. But like right now in the park, we have to have it on under the ring to leave. Okay?
way to make a speedy delivery to the castle.
What's in your basket, Mr. McFeely?
It's a surprise. Come to the neighbor hugging song to find out.
Does anyone want to guess what's in his basket?
Yeah.
What's in there?
What is in there?
We'll see at the hugging song. Can we all say our special message? Say, come along
to the neighbor hugging song.
Will you be there, Mr. McFeely?
I'll be there. Bye, neighbors. See you soon.
Bye, Mr. McFeely.
Well, hello there, neighbors. It's good to see so many.
Mr. McFeely's pretty excited today. Look, everybody, we finally made it to the Wagon Sign. And there's Daniel with all of his friends.
Hi, neighbors. Look, everyone came to the hugging song, and Mr. McFeely brought us all sunflowers. That was his special Neighbor Day speedy delivery. Aren't they terrific?
They sure are, Daniel. Now that we're here, what should we do first?
Well, we start with hugs. Everybody hug all the people you want to hug.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's all get somebody a nice big hug.
Wasn't that terrific?
It certainly was. And now that we've given our hugs, what should we do next, Daniel?
It's such a good feeling to have everyone here for Neighbor Day. Are you ready to sing?
I think we are.
Here we go.
It's such a good feeling to know you're alive. It's such a happy feeling. You're growing inside, and when you wake up, ready to stay, I think I'll make a snappy new day. It's such a good feeling, a very good feeling, a feeling you know
That I'll be back when the day is new, and I'll have more ideas for you. And you'll have things you'll want to talk about. I will too, because it's you I like. Hugga-mugga, everybody.
Hugga-mugga, Daniel, and happy Neighbor Day.
Happy Neighbor Day.
Goodbye. Happy
I
Neighbor
know,
Day.
I hear it. It might be open. Let's head over there now. There's two.
All right, did everybody have fun in the neighborhood of make-believe today?
Yeah.
Can we all say thanks, Charlie?
Thanks, Charlie.
All right, neighbors. Once again, my name's Hannah Trine. I'm so happy you guys could join us today. We do have one favor to ask, though. Before you leave the park today, make sure you give somebody you love 3 more hugs or hugga-muggas. Can you guys do that?
Yeah.
All right. Once you get back to the deck, make sure you guys stay in those seats. We'll be ready to get that bar on your right. Can we all wave to our neighbor next? Say hi, neighbor.